Managing your e-commerce product listings can be a challenge, especially when updates are frequent. But what if I told you there's an easy, efficient, and affordable way to handle it? Meet GS2WP Table, the ultimate tool for connecting Google Sheets with WordPress. Let's explore why it's a game changer. First, GS2WP Table lets you manage your product data in Google Sheets, a platform you already know. You can easily update prices, descriptions, and stock levels, all in one place. With the GS2WP Table, you don't need coding skills. Simply link your Google Sheet to WordPress, and the plugin does the rest. It's simple, fast, and hassle-free. This makes it easier for customers to browse and find exactly what they're looking for. Today, we'll show you how to use the GS2WP Table plugin to manage and publish dynamic product tables seamlessly. Let's dive in. Step 1. Install the plugin. Start by installing the GS2WP Table plugin on your WordPress site. 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard. 2. Navigate to Plugins and click Add New and upload the plugin zip file. Three. Install and activate the plugin. Step 2. Install the GS2WP Table extension. 1. Open a new Google Sheet by typing sheet.new in your browser. 2. Install the GS2WP Table extension in your Google Sheet. 3. Log into the GS2WP Table extension. Use the credentials provided on the GS2WP Table settings page in your WordPress dashboard. Step 3. Create product columns. One. In the GS2WP Table extension, navigate to the Table option and select New Table under the Simple category. 2. When prompted, specify 6 columns for product name, image URL, description, price, availability, buy now links. 3. Fill in your product details, ensuring the data is clear and consistent. Include valid URLs for product images and links to product pages. Step 4. Publish and connect. 1. Once your product table is ready, publish your Google Sheet to the web. 2. Go to the GS2WP Table settings in WordPress to generate a shortcode for your table. 3. Copy the shortcode and paste it into any page or post where you want your product list to appear. And voila, your e-commerce table is live. Step 5. Customize and optimize. The table updates dynamically. Any changes in your Google Sheet will instantly reflect on your website. You can also enable filters for categories or price ranges. Allow sorting by product name or price. Customize the table design to match your site's theme. Ensure it's mobile responsive for a seamless customer experience. With GS2WP Table, managing your e-commerce product listings is a breeze. Save time, keep your inventory updated, and deliver a smooth shopping experience. Try it out today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more WordPress tips and tricks.